Docker Sandbox Run Claude can be very useful for running Claude Code in a sandbox, but Claude Code also has a built-in sandbox mode, and you can use as an alternative if you don't have Docker or if you don't want to use Docker. In that Docker Sandbox, certain features might not work the way you want them to work. Then you can use Claude Code built-in sandbox. Now let me show you how you can use the Claude Code built-in sandbox mode by simply running /sandbox. So this will then ask you which sandbox mode you want to set up. Do you want to use auto allow or you want to use regular permission? Say if you choose auto allow, then command can run automatically inside the sandbox mode. It is faster but with less manual control. And with this regular permission, Claude Code will ask for approvals before running certain commands, which is safer and more controlled choice. And auto allow is what I want here to show you. So if I enable this, you will see my setting file is little bit changed. So here in this setting file, we can say this auto allow bash if sandboxed, which is true. See, if you don't have setting file, then it will have been created after selecting this auto allow option in the sandbox mode. Okay, and after that in this setting file, you have this sandbox entry. Of course, you can add this entry manually. So with this addition, all the future Claude Code sessions you may start will run in that sandbox mode. So you could run Claude Code with dangerously skipped permission flag now. Since that sandbox mode is enabled, so you will not accidentally erase your overall hard drive because you are on Claude Code built-in sandbox mode. And this is very useful mode. It gives you a Claude Code experience where you don't constantly have to grant permission, and at the same time you have some safety without using Docker, which nonetheless would be good. I personally don't use skip permission flag. Also, I am not using this flag in this course because I will directly use Claude to run the commands. And here in this course, I want to see what Claude Code wants to do. But this is of course a matter of personal preference and hand of approach. But yes, using sandbox and this dangerously permission flag can be a good way forward for many new developers. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe for more related content. And if you have any doubt related to the video, then do comment. So happy coding and bye bye.